Rob here once again with Smart Profit Money. I'm here to give you a quick overview on the Covert Store Builder for 2018. This is an update to my last video. So if you're trying to figure out exactly how this theme works, or you haven't really made money with this theme and you're just trying to configure all the settings, then keep on watching. We're going to cover all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, Rob here once again with Smart Profit Money. I'm here to give you a quick overview on the Covert Store Builder for 2018. So let's go ahead and get started. You should be able to see my pointer on screen. Here it is here. Okay, first off, I do want to say that I will be going into theme settings on this video. We're going to cover theme settings. I'm going to show you how to make money with this WordPress theme and how easy it is to install products. There's no third-party software needed, none of that. And please keep in mind, you can find all the links to this product under the video in the description. Or if you need to, go to Smart Profit Money right here, and you can just click on how I did that right here, and then you will find it right there. It should be the first link right on smartprofitmoney.com again. So that's my personal blog. You can go there and find it. Okay, let's go right back into this. Now, if you've seen this video in the past, I did film one in 2016. I was doing the review on the product. So again, I am here giving you guys an update. I'm going to try to answer all the questions that I keep getting for the past couple years, and hopefully I answer the most important ones. I know I'm going to miss a few, but this should help. And hopefully my audio is coming in good, because I actually did film this, and this is a remake of the same thing. So I'm hoping the audio is clear. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, first off, you can see that I do have the theme open. This is a WordPress theme for selling Amazon products. That's basically what it's set up for. Now, you can put any kind of product that you want in there. The shopping cart's built in. Trust me on this. I'm going to go into all the settings. Just give me a chance to explain how nice this theme looks. I'm going to scroll up and down. I'm going to show you all the features, and then we'll go right into the settings. I know everybody's really curious about the settings, so I will be there. Just hold on a second. I just want to explain exactly what this theme does, because it's a very powerful theme. Now, if you're trying to look around on YouTube or on Google, just anywhere, just searching and searching and trying to find a real nice theme that's specially made for Amazon, for selling Amazon products and creating a store, this one is one of the best. Now, we've been using it for a couple years with our clients, and we actually use it ourselves for our own Amazon stores. This happens to be a real site, a real demo site that I'm on. It is a demo, but it's actually a real site. Last time we filmed it, I think we got a few questions saying, where is that shoe site? It was a shoe site selling shoes. That was just a fake site. So this is a real one. It's much easier. We're not trying to hide anything. It's just a real demo site, but it is a real site, but it happens to be a demo. Now, by any means, we're not saying to sell computers in any way. That's really tough to do on Amazon, unless you're really going to put the time into that. I would choose another niche. But anyhow, okay, let's just go down my list. I do have everything written here. How easy is it, is one of the questions that I get all the time on this, to configure this site. Let's say this was an empty site. Now, please keep in mind, you can find my other video on my YouTube channel as well, and it's going to follow this one. So at the very end, it's going to tell you to watch the next video. It should be, and I'm positive that it's the one that we did in 2016. That one's going to show you how easy it is to start from an empty site, and probably a lot more things that I'm probably going to miss on this video, because I know I did it there and it really hasn't changed much. But anyhow, how easy is it? It's, let's just say this is a blank canvas. All we did, let's just act like it's blank. You put your logo in and nothing will appear here. You're actually going to see nothing. Let's just act like it's bare bone. The minute you drop in products, and that would be right here, you're going to drop in products here. All you do is put your keyword in, you drop them in. I'm going to come back here in 1 second, and you hit go, or you just hit search, and you install the products with one click. They appear, and immediately your slideshow comes alive. Now you can do the settings on the settings area. You can tell it to show 5 seconds delay, which I have mine set to, and I believe I'm showing 11 products going across the slide. So that's the way it's set up. There's so many options. I'm going to go really quick so you guys can see. Look at all this stuff really quick. There's just tons. Okay, but before we go here, just let me finish about this. I know everybody wants to see that. And I know it's important because you guys want to know, does this theme have options? Yes. Okay, one of the main questions we get is that how easy it is it to set up? One click, boom, it's done. With a little bit of WordPress experience, you can do this thing in 15 minutes. Okay, even with no WordPress experience, watch my video and you'll understand it's super easy. But you're going to need to watch both. Highly recommend, if you're really interested in this, please watch my other video that I did. It's on the Covert Store Builder as well. Okay, now let's keep going down my list here. How easy is this to make money with it? Okay, anytime you're trying to sell Amazon products, I try to tell everybody this. It has to be a review site. Like you see right here, reviews on all products. Now, what happens here is, this is a page here of one of the products. So when you click on a product, you can see that it did not go to Amazon. It's staying on the product page. That's what you want to find on a Amazon store builder. You need it to stay on your page until the client feels comfortable and wants to leave and go to Amazon. They will click here where I'm actually pointing. So the main thing is you want to keep your clients as long as you can on your site. The reason why is they're going to look around, they're going to get comfortable with your site and know that it's a very organized niche. They don't have to go to Amazon and try to find everything because it's kind of confusing when you actually go to Amazon. So what happens here is they read everything, and if this was a review page, what I'm talking about is you have to change the title and the description that you see here. I know you guys are probably saying, wait, I can't just upload a bunch of products. Yes, you can. But the more review pages that you have makes your theme, or I should say your website, more powerful in ranking with the searches that people do. Now let me explain why you would want to do this. But before I say that, go ahead and take a quick glance here. You can see that it drops in the comments automatically from Amazon. Now this one's only showing 2. Usually it shows 7, 10, 15, depends what you have it set on. Now you can share this product, you can tweet it, you can share it here, you can pin it. And please keep in mind, I'm looking at my list as I go. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible without making it just boring. But right here, you can see where it says add to wish list. This has a built-in membership system. So if you guys click here, it's going to go into the, I don't think you could see it, but you might. It's right here where I'm actually pointing. This is your wish list, and it's part of the membership system built into this. So that's very rare to find on an Amazon store builder. Now, where I was talking about earlier, let me go back to my list. I'm jumping again. Sometimes I just go nuts here on that stuff. But let's see. When you're on a product, it stays there. You can do that on the settings. I'm going to show you that as well. Oh yeah, I was telling you about the review pages. The reason why you want to do a review page is because of the fact that, just think of yourself or even me. When I buy anything, I go to Amazon probably, and then I always go check the reviews on it. Sometimes I read the reviews, or I usually do all the time on Amazon as well, but I actually search it on Google always to find what are people saying about that. And now what happens is when you do that, you're going to end up on another affiliate site actually that somebody's done a review on the product. Now they usually purchase it, maybe not, or they're just doing a review, and you can see all the comments coming in from people that actually purchase it. So there's 2 ways people are going to look, either on Amazon or they're going to search it on Google. So what you're trying to do is intercept that traffic. The minute somebody is interested in a product on Amazon and they go to Google or whichever search engine that they're going to use, they're going to try to find the review on it. That's where you guys come in. So the more review pages that you have and you've configured right by changing the title, description, dropping in a video, and doing all your SEO, you're going to keep coming up for that. Now, to prove my point, you can just go to any product you can imagine and just post review after it. So say if it was a PC, such and such PC reviews, and you'll see it come up. So that means that's a review affiliate site. Somebody has configured that site to intercept the traffic, because what happens is, let's say this is the actual review page. After they land on this page and they're interested in this product, they're going to say, well, great, I can go to Amazon from here. Many of them will click it, but not everybody. Some people won't. They're going to probably tab back over on their browser and go straight to Amazon. We can't win them all, but the ones that you do get and they do click here, it's tracked by a cookie. That's the way it's set up. So it doesn't matter if they don't even come back to your site. The cookie is going to keep them. I believe it's 24 hours legally. Sometimes people say it's longer, or 72 hours. So it changes. Now, that's how you're going to get the sale. Okay, so that's how it works. You're going to intercept the traffic for the review. So how many review pages? You should have at least 10. It's not that hard when you're first starting out. You can do 1 a day, you can do 2 a day. It's super easy. You just got to make sure that you really want to build a review site. You do want to put the time into it, put your videos in, do your SEO, and just configure the design the way it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm going to go right into, let's go right into theme options. I know you guys have been waiting for this. Okay, right here, we're going to start from the top and we're going to scroll down. Let me just scroll down really fast, and then I'll come back up for the people that are in a rush and don't want to wait here and listen to me just go on and on. You can see, guys, that it does have a bunch of settings. You can change everything. One thing you cannot change, we're going to come right back here again, is the total layout. You can change colors and pretty much anything around, but the way it's set up, you're always going to have your slideshow up here, and you're going to have your products here. I do have it set on 12 products to show. And remember, to show 12 products, that's found under your WordPress settings, not the theme. You got to tell your WordPress. I could go in there and probably show you here in a minute. Just give me one second. Anyhow, let's go back into theme options. Let's start right here at the very top. You can change the colors of this theme with one click. Pretty much everything on this is one click. Okay, right here, you just click on any of these and it's going to change. I don't want to do that now because it's going to mess up the way I'm trying to film this. Okay, let's continue down. You can see that you got your favicon, and you got just more stuff here. It has an image here if you don't have one in the post. There's all kinds of things here. Right here is your social buttons. So everything's in a little section. These are your social. So you have your Twitter, your Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Reddit, and the RSS. You just drop them in here and they turn on. So let's keep scrolling down. As you can see, right here is your header section. You can change all the colors. Now, all I have done on this demo theme, but it is a real website, is I changed the colors of the buttons, and I'm using the white default color. That's all I've done. And I'll keep showing you what else if it comes to mind as I'm scrolling down here. Keep in mind, one thing that's a little bit different on this site, it's been made to work on the navigation where I'm pointing to here, is you choose categories. So you create them and then you choose them, and that's what appears on your navigation. Still works great. It's fine. Not a problem. Okay, as we're scrolling down, you can even go over here and let's see, you can exclude them. I'm trying to go slow as I can, but as fast as I can also. And here's post menu. You can change all the colors. You can do anything you guys want. Okay, here's one of the most important questions of all, is how do you keep it on the product page? What that means is right here, I'm going to point to it here. Let's see, posts. It's actually right here. Product button goes to product source URL or post. Just leave it on post. If you have it on post, it's going to stay on the website. If not, if you choose URL, it's going to leave and it's going to go straight to Amazon. And that is here, you guys. So when somebody clicks here, like, let me scroll down and show you the site again. When somebody looks at one of these products, they can click here or here. If they do that, they're going to end up on the product page. They're not going to leave your site until they click buy from Amazon. And keep in mind, you can change the text right here on this button as well. Okay, back into theme options, and let's go right over here. You got sidebar widget stuff right here. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of stuff. The home page, here's the slideshow. This is probably Let me see. Let me look at my list to make sure I'm not missing anything. Anyhow, I got mine set on 5 seconds to show 11 posts. Most popular products are being spun through it. So super easy to do. This stuff, just there's only a few settings that you have to change to make it your way, and then you guys are done. You're just running with it. So as we come down here, let's see here. Here's some more stuff over here, as you can see there. Let me look at my list real quick, and while you guys stare at that, I'm trying to read my list so I don't miss anything. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, one thing you are going to need, people ask me, will it just work out of the box? If you're new to WordPress, you do have to have hosting. So let's go straight into Smart Profit Money. You guys can go to how to start right here, click on this, and this is going to teach you somewhat. Or if you have to go straight into this page here, which is actually, if you click on how to start, which I'm going to do that now, it should go, I got a lot of tabs open, but go ahead, click here, and then you can read this right here. It's going to show you how to set things up. Basically you can click here to get hosting right there, and it's going to give you some more info. And at the very bottom, go ahead and click next right there. And there is the old demo that I did in 2016. Okay, so back to theme options. Let's see. That was very important. That was one of the questions here. Okay, so we're coming down here. Single post pages, category page, and just they're all in sections here. Keep in mind, and there's so many things that you guys can change. They did not miss anything on building this. And right here is one of the most important ones, my favorite one, membership options. That means that you guys grab your Aweber code, raw code. Let me go down here, get response, iContact, MailChimp, right there. And you just drop it in right there, and you guys are done. And that starts tracking all your members that join on the wish list. Like I said, that's very, very rare. You don't find that on a Amazon store builder. Just no. Now, one of the other questions I get is, can you add products to, well, change products? Can you go ahead and drop in like a ClickBank product or another affiliate product? Yes, you can. I'm actually on the back end of a product here. While we are here, let me show you two things. Let's go straight to that. That's going to be located right here, the product URL. So if you're not using this as an Amazon product, you're going to put your product in here. This is going to be the link right there. You're going to put your description in here, and you're going to drop in your image, and that's it. Okay, that's all you guys have to do, and put your title. So your title, description, your picture, and then when you put this in, that makes this button work. And when somebody clicks it, you're going to change what the text says here, and it's going to go to ClickBank or whatever you guys are actually selling. So that's how that works. Yes, you can configure all that stuff. Let's see, where was I? So anyhow, back here, this is where I jump around somewhat, and I should have probably talked about this earlier, but right here is how you change one of the existing products to a review product. Just change this around, this title here. So if it was me, I would probably just erase this whole thing, just delete the whole thing and write my own, or you can just take out this piece here and take out all this and make it shorter and use probably 4 or 5 of the most major keywords that you know people are searching for that product. Now, I highly recommend that you use the Google Keyword Planner. If you don't have any experience with that, you can watch videos that's going to teach you on what people are actually searching for. That's what I do when I build my own sites, is I put the actual keywords that people are searching for and the phrases in the description right here, and then I also drop in the video. That's the way I always do things. That's the way you should. That's just normal. That's normal SEO. Okay, you don't got to get too much involved with the SEO thing. As long as it's got your description, your title, and your video, you should be good to go. And categories here. Okay, let me look at my list to make sure I'm not missing anything. Do the products update on their own? Yes, they do. Let's go into how to drop in products. I'm going to show you really quick. If I was to put HP Desktop AMD, now you can click affiliate networks here. If I was to turn on eBay, and commission junction, they would light up right here. You would see 2 more tick boxes. I'm not going to do that. I don't even have those on. Like I said, this is just a demo site, but it is a real website. Right here, you can choose one of these if you need to. I'm not going to. I'm only going to choose 20 products. So it's going to pull up 20 products with 1 click. Boom. And it does it very, very fast as long as you have the correct keywords. You can see that they already came up. Now, for some reason, if they don't come up, it's because you need to change your product keyword description on this right here when you're searching. Just change it around. Sometimes it's kind of picky if you misspelled or put a space or something on one of the keywords, the way that Amazon has it, because it pulls from there, then it's going to get confused. But usually it works totally fine. Now, how easy it is to drop these in, you can see they're all here. If I wanted all these products at once, I would just tick this on and they're all lit up. And you just, bam, you just drop them in. You choose the category. Make sure your categories were made first, and all you do is pick one and boom. You could just do, you can do import to draft. Why would you want to go to draft? If you go to draft, you can take your time and go into your products, change the description and titles if you're making review pages. If not, go ahead and do the live ones. Or you can click here and view more. Keep in mind, it does not pull the same product twice. If you guys are wondering, what if you imported like 5 or 6 certain types of PCs? It's not going to pull that again on the search engine. I'm not going to click import because I've already imported enough products on when I was actually testing. So we're not going to do that. Let me just delete that and refresh out of here. Okay, so let me go back to my list. We are on, let's see, design. So we talked about all you guys need is hosting again. Don't forget. And like always, you can find the links to this product under the video in the description, or go to my blog, where it's right here. And all the cool stuff, just keep in mind, like I'm always reviewing and purchasing the coolest products out there for affiliate marketing or just building custom blogs. As you guys know, if you've been following me, I do the custom blogs. I build custom blogs, and you can find all the cool stuff on how I did that right here. Now, keep in mind, I do want to say this, that a lot of people get caught up on affiliate marketing and all this stuff. You need to have your own personal blog as well. It could be a niche blog or whatever. But always keep in mind, besides making a little Amazon store or a drop shipping store, it's always good to own your own custom blog. And to learn more about that, you could probably watch one of my other videos. I just wanted to get that out there because a lot of people get confused on, should my niche site be my own blog? No, you should have your own blog for that, and then keep that separate. I just wanted to make sure people understand that who are new to marketing and stuff. Okay, so let's go back into, I think I'm pretty much done. Let me see if I'm forgetting anything. Let me just double check. Again, I will scroll so you guys can see this. It's so easy to put the logo in one click. Just bam, it's there. You got theme options. Yeah, I think I covered pretty much everything. Hopefully you guys like this theme. And again, if you guys are looking to set up something fairly quick, very easy, this one's great. Go ahead and check out this one. And let's see here. Yeah, I did not miss anything. I pretty much covered pretty much everything. Let me go back. Sorry, I'm taking so long. I just want to make sure that we did cover it. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, you guys should be good. Again, don't forget to go to my site right there. You can find it right there on how I did that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comments, or click on Ask Rob right there. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.